Hey guys, it's Ro, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make jelly cube slime. So I was inspired by Blushing Baby Slime on Instagram to recreate this. I'm not sure who the original creator of this slime is, so if you do know, please leave their Instagram handle in the comment section down below so that I can give proper credits. Anyways, this slime is super unique and it has amazing bubble pops, so if you do want to make it, just keep watching. Let's get started on the ingredients. So the first thing you will be needing is obviously something to mix with along with something to mix in. Some clear glue, melamine sponges. I got mine at Daiso, but if you do not have them, you can definitely use normal kitchen sponges. They don't work nearly as well, but if those are all you have, that is perfectly fine. And optionally, you can use some food coloring or glitter. Let's get started on this tutorial. So the first thing you need to do is make some slime. So I'm just pouring in my glue, and I'm using the Elmer's Clear Glue gallon. So what you need to do now is just activate your slime. I'm using borax solution, and that is just 1 teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of water. I would definitely recommend doing this earlier, but I forgot to, so now I'm just adding in my glitter and food coloring. After you have your desired amount of glitter/food coloring, now all you have to do is just mix and activate more until your slime no longer sticks to the bowl or your hands. This is what your slime should look like after activating. It is perfectly normal for your slime to have lots of air bubbles in it, so the solution for that is just to put it in an airtight container for 3 to 7 days, and it should be perfectly clear. So while we're waiting for that, let's prepare our jelly cubes. So to make the little cubes, all you will be needing to do is just cut up your sponge, and I do not want any of you guys to get hurt, so if you are not comfortable using a knife or you are too young, please get adult supervision or even have an adult just do it for you, because it can be dangerous, and again, I don't want any of you guys to get hurt. So these are my cubes after they were all chopped up, and this is the ideal size, not too big, not too small. And I do want to say before we continue that if you cut your cubes too big, that means that they will absorb too much of the slime and you will not have much to play with. This is what my slime looked like after it was all done clearing up. I only had to wait about 3 days for this one, and I did add some extra glitter to it to make it prettier, so that's why it looks a little different. And as you can see, the color is noticeably darker because the air bubbles are all popped and gone. So all you have to do now is just add in the jelly cubes that we just made. Thanks for watching me make jelly cube slime. We hope you enjoyed. We'll see you all next week. Bye!